What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about PNB credit card delivery or yung Philippine National Bank credit card delivery. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung gaano nga ba katagal bago dumating yung PNB credit card delivery sa bahay ninyo or mga ilang araw yung aantayin nyo bago dumating yung PNB credit card sa delivery address ninyo. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung ano nga ba yung dapat nyong gawin kapag hindi dumating yung PNB credit card sa inyo. Yung PNB credit card delivery is unsuccessfully siya. Tapos saan kayo tatawag para malaman ninyo yung status ng PNB credit card delivery at the same time kung saan kayo tatawag para mag-request ng redelivery. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, PNB or Punjab National Bank physical credit cards are generally delivered to the registered address within the maximum of 7 days after approval. So as you can see dito guys, is after approval. So nang nag-apply kayo ng PNB credit cards, tapos antayin nyo muna yung approval. Yung text message na kung saan sinasabi na congratulations, your PNB credit card application has been approved. Saka pa lang guys magsisimula yung 7 days na delivery time frame. For specific Philippine National Bank or PNB cases, delivery can take 1 to 2 days for Metro Manila, 2 to 3 days for nearby provinces, and 3 to 5 days for remote areas. Virtual cards are received instantly. So as you can see dito guys, delivery sa Metro Manila can only take 1 to 2 days. Ganun kabilis right after ma-approve yung PNB credit card application ninyo. 2 to 3 days naman para sa nearby provinces. Like for example, yung Bulacan, nearby provinces yan. Yung Laguna, so mga ganyan. Tapos, 3 to 5 days naman for remote areas. So pag sinabing remote areas guys, like for example, sa Mindanao, ganyan, malayong-malayo talaga sa Metro Manila. Kasi yung manufacturing ng credit card ni PNB is nasa Metro Manila. Kaya naman, it affects the delivery time frame talaga kapag within Mindanao or Visayas na yung address ninyo. As you can see here, virtual cards are received instantly. So the moment you apply for a PNB credit card, tapos na-approve, automatic guys, marireceive nyo agad yung virtual card. So ano nga ba yung sinabing virtual card? So hindi po ito nakasobre. Talagang pag-open ninyo ng PNB online banking, pwede nyo na agad ma-activate yung virtual card ng PNB credit card. At pwede nyo nang gamitin kaagad yun. Delivery timelines and details. Physical card. Within 7 days, this can vary depending on location. So ito 7 days kasi guys is maximum. Ito siya na promising days na delivery of PNB credit card. Ngayon, kung lumagpas dito, depende siya sa location ninyo guys. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung nasa Mindanao, so minsan hindi agad malocate yung address ninyo. Kaya it affects talaga kung gaano kabilis or katagal yung PNB credit card delivery. Virtual card. Instantly for immediate use on e-commerce site via the PNB Genie app. So as you can see guys dito, yung virtual card is pwede nyo agad siya magamit. As you can see dito, for immediate use on e-commerce sites via the PNB Genie app. Siguro naman aware kayo sa PNB Genie application ni PNB. Since nangangarap kayo magkaroon ng credit card ni PNB, so dapat aware kayo sa mga online banking na ino-offer ni PNB. Para at least, mabilis nyo agad magamit yung credit card, yung virtual card ni PNB via Genie application. Take note lang guys na yung virtual card is pwede lang siya magamit sa e-commerce sites. When we see e-commerce, electronic, so online transactions siya. Tracking. You can check the status of your application online via PNB website or by calling their customer care team. So as you can see dito guys, or by calling their customer team. So maya-maya i-share ko sa inyo yung official customer service hotline ni PNB or Philippine National Bank. If your card does not arrive within this time frame, it is advised to contact PNB customer support for an update. So as you can see dito guys, kapag hindi dumating sa given time frame, 7 days yun, di ba? Ngayon kapag hindi dumating within 7 days, ang dapat yung gawin, sinasabi dito, is to contact PNB customer service. So ngayon, as I promised, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung official hotline number ni PNB para doon kayo tumawag, mag-follow up ng credit card delivery sa PNB, of course, at saka yung sinasabi dito na kapag hindi dumating yung credit card delivery within 7 days sa PNB. For PNB credit card holders with no deposit account enrolled in the application or app, you may call PNB Cards 24/7 customer service hotline at 632-8818-9818 or DTF 1-800-10-818-9818. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito? Bakit dalawa yung binigay na contact number or official hotline number ni PNB? Ito kasi guys is 632-8818-9818 para ito sa Metro Manila using PLDT. Tapos ito naman sinasabing DTF dito, Domestic Toll Free. 1-800-10-818-9818 kapag outside Metro Manila kayo. Kapag nasa probinsya kayo, kahit nasa Mindanao kayo, basta may PLDT landline kayo, pwedeng-pwede nyo pa rin tawagan yung PNB Contact Center para mag-follow up about your PNB credit card delivery para malaman kung ano na yung status. At the same time, yung nakalagay dito na 1-800-10-818-9818, ito lang yung idadial ninyo using your landline sa PLDT kapag outside Metro Manila kayo. Inuulit ko to para magets ninyo ha. Kasi nakalagay is DTF. So meaning outside Metro Manila. Kapag within Metro Manila kayo, 632-8818-9818 yung idadial ninyo using your PLDT landline. So sana aware kayo dun para at least malaman ninyo kung saan talaga kayo tatawag para hindi naliligaw yung tawag ninyo. Hindi lang siya maligaw kasi hindi talaga kayo makakonect guys kapag outside Metro Manila kayo tapos yung tinawagan ninyo is yung 8818-9818 lang. Hindi talaga magpo-push through yung tawag ninyo sa PNB. Ngayon kapag nasa Metro Manila naman kayo tapos yung denial ninyo is yung DTF or yung domestic toll free na 1-800-10-818-9818, hindi rin magko-connect yun. Kailangan talaga aligned yun. Pag Metro Manila, yung i-dial nyo, yung address nyo ha, halimbawa, nakapwesto kayo ngayon sa Metro Manila, o ulitin ko, ito yung i-dial nyo kapag nasa Metro Manila kayo tumatawag. 632-8818-9818. Ngayon, kung nasa probinsya kayo, hindi na Metro Manila, 1-800-10-818-9818. So, sinishare ko to sa inyo guys para at least maging aware kayo about your PNB credit card delivery, saan kayo tatawag, para malaman ninyo yung status, kumusta na. Ngayon, kapag hindi talaga dumating yung PNB credit card delivery guys, hindi talaga na-deliver sa bahay ninyo, ito yung dapat nyong gawin. Ang dapat nyong gawin guys, kapag hindi dumating sa given time frame, ilang beses na, tumawag kayo sa PNB Contact Center which is yung binigay ko pa lang, mag-request kayo ng PNB credit card redelivery. Para at least i-redeliver nila. Ngayon, nag-request na kayo ng redelivery or dineliver ulit, hindi pa rin talaga dumating. It's time to request pick up by branch. Which is, pipiliin niyo kung saan kayo convenient sa PNB branch, tapos doon nyo na lang ipa-deliver. Tapos, ipipick up ngayon ni PNB branch, then pupunta kayo doon para kunin. Make sure lang guys na antayin nyo muna yung 8 days or 10 days para sure na nandun na yung credit card right after na ma-approve yung requesting by pick up by branch. Tapos, make sure guys to bring valid ID. Kasi kailangan talaga yung proof of identification. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph K, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!